Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. Today's useful phrase is hindi ko naiintindihan, which means I don't understand. Let's say it together. Hindi ko naiintindihan. Now, slowly. Hindi ko na iintindihan. And once more at a natural speed, hindi ko naiintindihan. Here's what each word means. Hindi means no or not. Ko means I or me. It is used as the subject. Naiintindihan means understand. So it literally means I do not understand. You can use this phrase when someone speaks too fast or uses a word you don't know. Here's an example. Naiintindihan mo ba ito? Hindi ko naiintindihan. If you want to be polite, you can add sorry in front like this. Sorry, hindi ko naiintindihan. Repeat it one more time with me. Hindi ko naiintindihan. Thanks for learning with the Daily Tagalog. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to say, can you repeat that? Don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing.